The idling stop system prevents unnecessary fuel consumption, exhaust emissions, and noise. When you stop the vehicle, the engine shuts off automatically and this indicator light illuminates. When the brake pedal is released, the engine starts automatically. The indicator light will turn off. The vehicle is equipped with enhanced starting system components to handle multiple restarts. The system may not allow the engine to shut off if the engine is still warming up, you are using the heater or air conditioning, the steering wheel is turned, or the battery needs charging. If any of these conditions exist, this indicator light will illuminate. The engine may restart during a stop if the cabin needs cooling, the steering wheel is turned, or the battery needs charging. The system can be deactivated by pressing this switch. Pressing the switch again or restarting the engine will activate the system. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.